Hello guys, welcome to YLARC 3rd grade worksheet lesson 6. Today we'll be using subtraction to find the difference. First, we'll start off with number 1, 862 minus 501. 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, so the answer to question 1 will be 361. We'll move on to number 2 right here, which is 573 minus 258. So first, we're going to change the 7 to a 6, change this 3 to a 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Oh, it's 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer to question 2 would be 315. We move on to question 3, which is 124 minus 75. So we first have to do 4 minus 5. But since the 4 is less than 5, we move on to the next number. Change the 2 into a 1. Change the 4 into 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. And we have to do 1 minus 7, but since the 1 is also less than 7, we gotta change this 1 to a 0 and change the 1 to 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. So the answer to question 3 would be 49. We move on to number 4, the last one for this page, which is 952 minus 479. So since we can't do 2 minus 9, and we also can't do 5 minus 7, we just skip to number 9. We'll change it to an 8, change the 5 to a 14, and change the 2 to a 12. 12 minus 3 is 3. Oh, sorry about that. 3. 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer to question 4 would be 473. We'll move on to the second page, which says find the missing number. So we'll do the first one, which is 8 plus 50 equals 58 minus 2, which obviously equals 56. So the answer would be 56. We'll do number 2 now, which is 102 plus 80 minus 20. So since the 80 minus 20 is in parentheses, we have to do that first. 80 minus 20 equals 60. Plus 102 equals 162. So the answer would be 162. We'll do one last question on this page. We'll do number 3. So since the 40 plus 6 is in the parentheses, we gotta do that first. So it'll be 62 minus 46. 62 minus 46. We gotta change it to a 5, change it to 12, 6, 1. The answer to question 3 would be 16. We'll go on to the third page now, which says use subtraction to find the missing number. We'll start off with number 6, so we gotta do 825 minus 239, and this change to 7, this change to 11, this change to 15, 6, 9, 5. So the answer to question number 6 would be 596. We'll do number 7 here, so we have to do 691 minus 135. Change to an 8, this change to 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, so the answer to question 7 will be 556. We move on to the last page now, which are word problems. It says Kenny paddled 2,348 feet in his canoe. Elliot paddled 6,246 feet in his canoe. How much farther did Elliot paddle than Kenny? So first we have to do 6,246 minus 2,348, and then we gotta change it to 5. Actually, we won't do it that way. We'll just start off with this. So we change this to a 3, change this to a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 4, we can't do that. Change this to a 1. Change this to 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. And then we can't do this, so change this to a 5. And then change this to 11. 11 minus 3 is 9. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer to question 1 will be 3,998. And we will do one last one here. It says George wants to buy a balloon for each person who attends the event. He invited 13 boys and 8 girls. How many should he buy? So you just gotta do 13 plus 8, which equals 11, which equals 21. So the answer to question 4 would be 21. Thank you God for